Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
Hi, I'm Mary, and I'm going to show you how to create an employer in the P11D Organiser. It's quick and easy, and I'll show you how. Simply click on this button on the top left to create an employer. Your employer will need a PAYE reference. This is just an example, so I'll leave that as the default. You'll need to fill out your employer's information. As this is just an example, so let me just populate these fields real quick. There we go. Next we need to make sure the HMRC credentials are set up for the government gateway. I'll click this button here and then type in some demonstration credentials. Now your employer is set up and ready to go. You can do other things like selecting a custom logo and even the password makeup for your sent documents, but that's a subject for another video. You can also have multiple employers or clients if you are an accountancy. The P11D Organiser will allow you to quickly change between your employers and PAYE ref by clicking on this button on the left-hand side. This gives you an overview of your employers. Simply double-click to select an employer. You can also use these little arrows down here to navigate left and right through the list.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.